Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In case this is your first time seeing my face on YouTube, my name is Veronica and I am currently packing. I'm going to be spending 2 months in Europe this summer, and the first 5 weeks are actually going to be studying abroad in Rome, Italy. And so I'm going to be taking some classes, and then afterwards I'm extending my trip into Europe to backpack a little bit with my friend Lizzie and also visit some family in Poland. So I have a lot to get done and a lot of things to fit into one suitcase. I thought it would be fun to make like a pack with me video, so that is what this is, but I actually started the process last night, so I'm gonna throw in those clips right now. Hey guys, so it is currently Saturday night and I just started packing for study abroad, and I'm whispering because it's really late and my parents have gone to sleep, but I wanted to show you guys my progress before I like cleared my bed. But I kind of organized everything and laid it out in different categories on my bed, so I wanted to show you guys before I like continued the packing process for the next few days. So I have almost all of the clothes that I want to bring with me laid out on my bed currently, and I kind of just like sectioned it off into shorts, 2 skirts, 3 pairs of long pants. Those are all dresses, and then I have a jumpsuit and as well as a whole lot of tops right here. 2 jackets that I'm bringing, and I just have like my packing cubes and my travel backpack and the crossbody I'm bringing, as well as like some other accessories. So this isn't everything quite yet, and I'll be like packing more and getting more organized over the next 2 days, but I did want to show you guys what this looked like at the start of the video because I feel like this really just gives you a nice overview of what I'm bringing. And I'm sure I'm forgetting some stuff because it is Saturday night and I leave Monday night, so I have like another 48 hours, and I haven't packed my toiletries and I haven't packed my electronics yet, and I may just like add or take away some clothes because I haven't actually physically put these in my suitcase quite yet, which reminds me, I laid out the 4 pairs of shoes that I'm bringing right here. So I just have like sporty sandals, tennis shoes, and then a little bit more of like a stylish tennis shoe, my Supergas, as well as these like platform sandals. I'm just gonna pile all of this into my suitcase right now so I can clear my bed and go to sleep. I'm gonna continue packing over these next 2 days and then keep you guys updated from here on out. So it is now the next day and I've started kind of packing up my toiletries. I've laid everything out and it doesn't really seem like a lot, so I'm kind of feeling like I'm forgetting something, but I'm going to be taking like this like travel toiletry bag with me. In this pouch I have like Q-tips, Advil, like cold medicine in case I need it while I'm there. This pouch I tried to do some more like skincare and like makeup stuff. And then in this one I've almost packed full is my face wash, shampoo, conditioner, larger toothpaste, moisturizer, face sunscreen, let's see, like a washcloth. And then this pile is mostly for like putting in my carry-on, so I'm gonna be putting all of these things in like a clear quart-sized bag. I have my body wash because I have a really long layover in Copenhagen and I may want to take a shower once I get there, and then just like face wash, contact lens case, small toothpaste, and like really basic makeup items, so foundation, a little like lip balm, and then mascara and brow product. But anyways, as I've been packing, I've been realizing that I'm missing some things here or there, or I'm running low on some makeup products. So I'm about to head out of the house really quick just to go to like Ulta, Target, maybe stop by Best Buy, but I'm just gonna run some really quick errands and take you guys with me. So I just got back from running errands and I thought it would be fun to do like a quick little haul for you guys. So the first place I went to was Ulta. I pretty much just refilled on like makeup products I needed and got some travel sized items. So the first thing is like it's a 10 leave-in treatment, and then I also refilled on my favorite under eye concealer. They don't carry the shade that I like using anymore, and so I just got like the lightest color, so hopefully that doesn't end up going terribly. And then the last two things I got were just this travel size dry shampoo from Not Your Mother's and this dupe of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I looked it up on Pinterest and this was the one that everyone was recommending. It's by the brand Makeup Revolution. After Ulta, I stopped by Best Buy and then Walgreens to get a backup SD card for my vlog camera because God forbid something happens to my SD card while I'm abroad. I'd just rather be safe than sorry. And so I just got a backup 32 gigabyte. And then I also really want to try journaling while abroad. And so I got this like Scotch double-sided adhesive roller stuff. And then lastly, I've been thinking about getting a travel pillow for the longest time and I just ended up going to Marshall's and getting one. So this one's like really soft, it's memory foam, it comes with like a little bag so that you can like roll it up and it takes up less space. So this is definitely going to come in handy on my really long overnight flights and also just like all the travel that I'm gonna be doing. And then also Marshall's got me at the checkout. Lavender nail polish has taken over my Pinterest, which is like such a weird thing to say, but it's just a very popular color right now and it looks really good. And so I just got like a discounted like OPI one. But now that I have all that, I'm gonna finish putting together my toiletries and my electronics and get started on fitting everything into my suitcase. So it is a lot later now. It's almost midnight and I took a break from packing because tonight was the season finale for Game of Thrones. Well, the show finale of Game of Thrones. So my friend Lindsay came to watch with me and she's hanging out. I just put my like underwear and socks and then tops into packing cubes and I'm about to tackle my shorts and skirts and everything else that I'm bringing. But yeah, we're in the home stretch and I leave in less than 24 hours, which is insane. At this point, this is all I have left to pack, and I have 2 large packing cubes to fit everything in. Hopefully I'm able to compact all of this as much as possible because those 2 cubes and these 3 still need to be able to fit in that suitcase with my shoes. And obviously I'm going to want to be able to leave room so that I can like buy stuff in Europe. So hopefully it all fits, but I'm just going to try to get it all as compacted as possible. Lindsay also just left, so I am all on my own and I'm going to try to make this as fast as possible because I'm still trying to get a decent night's sleep tonight because it's gonna be my last time sleeping in my bed for a very long time. Well, with everything in the packing cubes, I was able to fit the 2 large cubes on this half the suitcase, and I didn't expect this to happen, but they're taking up the entire half, and then the other half is the 2 medium cubes and the small one, and I was able to like wedge my shoes into here, but I still have to fit my toiletries in this suitcase, and I still have to weigh it. So hopefully it isn't overweight, and I haven't tried to zip it up yet, but I'm sure it's going to be able to close. Tomorrow morning I'm going to try to zip the suitcase, weigh it, and then from there I might end up getting rid of some stuff. Day 3 and also the last day of packing. It is Monday afternoon and I just weighed my suitcase. It weighed in at 40 pounds, which is 10 pounds below the 50-pound maximum. So as of right now, I am all good. I'm probably just gonna like think about everything that I put in my suitcase one last time, think of any things that I could possibly take out because I am trying to leave room for any things that I buy while abroad. But while that is going through my head, I did want to show you guys what I'm putting in my carry-on. Also, I would just like to address that, yes, I am wearing the same sweatshirt I was wearing last night, and no, I don't regret that because it's really comfortable. I laid everything out on my bed so you could see it better, but this is the backpack I am taking as my carry-on. It's just like a black kind of like waterproofed material, and there's one big pocket on the inside and then one big pocket on the front. It was $30 at Target. If you guys are interested, I'll try to leave a link for it down below in the description, but this is everything that I'm packing. And then I almost forgot, but I'm also bringing a change of clothes as well as some pajamas for my overnight layover in Copenhagen. Hopefully this all fits into that backpack. I am all set to go. I'm going to end this vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a little bit different than my usual videos, but I thought it would be fun to show you guys everything that I packed for a summer in Europe. So now that I am leaving in a few hours, I'm gonna go shower and just get mentally prepared. And if you want to be able to follow along with me in Europe real time, make sure to go follow me on Instagram at Veronica Paulina YT. It is like the most up-to-date social media that I keep, and hopefully I'll be posting some really exciting pictures and stories while abroad. But with that being said, next time I see you guys, I will be in Europe. I can't wait until my next video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!